Hello team, I told you yesterday when I posted the Going for Silver video that I wanted to make more training videos for this team for you guys to utilize for yourselves and also for your downline. I reached out and asked you guys, what do you want to be trained on? What would you like videos on? Nobody responded. So I took it upon myself to come up with some short videos, make some short videos that I thought would be beneficial to you and your team. So one of the things I was thinking about was new ambassadors. So I wanted to do five quick business building tips for new ambassadors, okay? So you can take this video and share it with them. You can make your own video with these tips, whatever. But these were some quick tips that I thought will help our new ambassadors. Okay, business tip number one. Obviously, we have to share. I want you, as soon as you join Plexus, to share on Facebook. Do not be afraid. Do not wait. Start sharing Plexus on Facebook. If you do not have your own testimony, your own story, that's okay. I want you to share it anyways. You could post a picture with your pink drink, a selfie, with your welcome kit, whatever. Say, hey, I'm new to Plexus. I'm just starting. I'm going to show you everything I'm doing. Let's see what happens in the next 3 months. I mean, you could catalog your story. There's so many different things you can do. So first thing you need to do is share. Share on Facebook. Share on social media in general. If you have an Instagram account, use that as well. Send an email to your friends and family and let them know what you're doing, okay? Also, when you're sharing, pick up the phone and call your best friends. Tell them what you're doing and let them know how fun it would be for them to join you on this. Something else when it comes to sharing that I encourage everybody to do in their first 30 days of starting their Plexus business is to host a launch party, a sip and see, opportunity meeting, whatever you want to call it. The weather's getting beautiful outside, so how about Plexus on the patio? This is just a casual gathering of you and some friends that you invite to share Plexus. I'd be more than happy to help you with this, and I know your upline would too. So those are some quick, easy ways to share Plexus. Number two, quick building business tip for our new people. Aim to have $500 PV. PV stands for personal volume. Aim to have at least $500 in personal volume every month. Once you get over $500 in personal volume, okay, it goes from 10% to 25%. So you're going to get paid 25% of your 500 or more, okay? So always aim for $500 because going from 10% to 25% is a huge, huge chunk, right, guys? All right. Business building tip number three, and this is what I talked about in my video yesterday. Go silver. All right, what does that mean to go silver? We talked about it, but I'll talk about it again briefly. Going silver means you are going to personally sponsor 3 people. 1, 2, 3. It could be your mom, dad, brother, mom, best friend, teacher. 3 separate people, okay? 1, 2, 3. You're going to get them to buy a welcome pack because obviously everybody wants to buy a welcome pack. They're going to get the products at the cheapest price. So they need to buy a welcome pack and they need to have their backup order set for $100 or more. So you do that with 3 people and you are silver. And once you hit silver, Plexus Worldwide will give you a $100 bonus. So it's so important to try and get our new ambassadors to go silver within their first month of Plexus, okay? Business building tip number 4. Train your ambassadors, guys. Don't wait until 2 or 3 weeks have gone by. Train them from the beginning, okay? After they sign up, pick up the phone and call them and tell them how excited you are that they've joined your team and get down to the basics and start training them. Find out their why. Why are they doing Plexus? Find out their goals. Find out their 1-month goal, their 60-day goals, their 90-day goals, their big-term goals. Okay, find out all these things. Train them. Train them on going silver. Train them to write down a list of 100 people and contact those 100 people, okay? Get them going right from the beginning. Set them up for success. When we sign somebody up, they're going to be the most excited once they sign up. So get with them right away within those first 24 hours and go over those things. And then get together again in 48 hours after you've asked them what their goals and their whys are and go over them, okay? Set them up for success. Another easy way to train, Plexus does everything for us, guys. Our success kit. You see that? That tells you what to do. Let's get you started. Your success guide. This goes over everything you need to know. So sit down with them, do a Zoom, call them up on the phone, whatever, and use this to go over it. Training 101 right here, easy peasy. Okay, and then last but not least, for my 5 quick business building tips for our new ambassadors, help your downline go silver. What's your downline, you're thinking? Those are the people that you sponsored. Your downline is everybody below you. So those 3 people that you signed to go silver, that's your downline. Now, you want all those people to go silver. So train and duplicate, because once you're silver and those 3 people that you signed, once they go silver and they get all their people below them, guys, that's how you rank up. So if you are helping your team to go silver, they're not going to want to quit. They're going to want to keep going. Once people go silver, once I went silver, I was like, dang, all right, this wasn't too bad. I can keep doing this. All right. And once they get that paycheck and that $100, it's amazing. So get your people to silver. They're not going to quit. Get everybody to silver. Everybody you sign up, get them to silver and help them get their downlines to silver too. All right. If you have any questions about any of these 5 quick business building tips, let me know. I will be putting out some more videos. I just wanted to share with you some ideas that I thought might help you. So as always, if you have any questions, please reach out to your upline, your sponsor, reach out to me. I am here. And as always, go Plexus.